Cummins diesel generator set needs to be maintained after being used for a certain period of time, so the user needs to understand and strictly observe some precautions for use and maintenance, otherwise it will cause fault or damage to the diesel generator set. The battery has a certain service life and must be replaced at a certain period of time. If the thermostat fails, it should be replaced in a timely manner and should not be dismantled or left unused. It is forbidden to spray the diesel generator set with water directly for cleaning. Be careful not to let rainwater or other substances enter from the exhaust or intake pipe openings. If water enters the combustion chamber of the diesel engine, it may cause internal damage. Do not change the purpose and scope of use of the diesel generator set at will, otherwise it will easily lead to damage to the genset, equipment and personal accidents.